Good morning, class. So, in our previous classes, we have discussed about the story of this chapter, the rich lady and the artist. And if I want to remind you the story is about an artist, a well-known artist, and a rich lady who is very much fond of her pet dog called Tommy. And once she visited the studio of artists, and she wanted that the artist should paint her portrait, and artist has had made a very beautiful portrait, but when he invited the lady to visit her studio to see the portrait, the lady was not very much pleased, because she was very much fond of her dog, and her dog didn't show any interest in the portrait. So she decided that she is not going to buy that portrait. But instead of getting disheartened, the artist told the lady to visit his studio the next day, and he will make one very beautiful portrait for her. The artist knows he was a man of worldly wisdom, so he know about this strange ways of wealthy people. And the next day when the lady visited, he saw that the dog was not only interested in the portrait, but that dog was licking the portrait very he was the portrait has grabbed the attention. So that lady thought the dog is now the portrait is very much beautiful like her. And so she decided to buy the portrait, and she paid a very high by the same portrait which the artist had shown her the previous day, and on a very big price the artist had demanded to her. So this from this story we got to know that if we are a wise person, we can handle any situation, we can come out from any adverse situation. So always use your wisdom. So now in this exercise we can see there is a pot. You can see this is a pot from where we have to find out the opposite words of the given words. So you can see the first one is done, second one is old, and old opposite of old will be young according to the pot. But sometimes you will find the opposite of old written new, so this is also correct. Now the opposite of beautiful is ugly. Opposite of beautiful is ugly. Now wealthy, poor. Wealthy, poor. Opposite of wealthy is poor. Now opposite of clever, fool. FOOL, fool. Now in the next exercise, what we have to do, we have to fill in the blanks by using different describing words, naming words, or phrases. As you can see in number 1, the describing word is old, naming word is lady, and it will join and make a phrase and old lady. So before when we should start the phrase, what is a phrase? What we are going to do, we are going to understand what is a phrase. So students, phrases are the words, a group of words actually, which gives us meaning but not a complete meaning. As you can see, you can see here this one and old lady, this is a group of word and it is giving you meaning. But when you are going to read this group of words, you will feel that something is missing. That's why this is called a phrase. So whenever anyone when ask you about phrase definition, your answer must be phrase is a group of word which gives us meaning but not the complete one. Now the next one, the naming word is given artist. You can use as famous. If the blank space is describing also, you can use here famous, FAMOS, famous. Or you can write over here, you can use popular. Okay, you can write it also. Or you can write here well known artist, and then the phrase will be a famous artist. Now again you can ask, ma'am, why n is used over here, the students, and why you are using a. So students, when you are doing starting with old is a verbal, so we will add an, and whenever I have given the famous artist, F is a consonant, so it is a famous artist. Now wealthy lady, wealthy lady, and the phrase will become a wealthy lady. Now big house, big studio, big place, anything you can write over here. Here we are going to write here studio, because we could concentrate, we could focus on the chapter, so it's big studio. Now the phrase will be a big studio. Now the next is piece of meat, then it is juicy, a juicy piece of meat, that will become a phrase, a juicy piece of meat. Now we should move to the next worksheet, and that is over here. Now get into pairs with help of given hints, complete the conversation puzzle by filling appropriate words. So workroom of a painter, workroom of a painter is studio, studio, studio. Now the next one is person who practice any one of the fine arts, it's artist, ARTIST, artist. Next is a painted picture of a person, that is portrait, so P here, PORTRAIT, portrait. Next, usual, surprising, strange, STRANGE, strange. Next is make the tail move, that will be wag, WAG, wag. So students, that's all for today. Tomorrow we are going to discuss and write the answers of life skill and value based. So you must finish your A9 and A10 in your English copy.